So we are now going to take a look at the remote control for the Wuben A1. There are two switches here, the main switch as well as the mode switch. Now it's on, second, third, fourth level and turbo with 20,000 lumens. Back to the first one, direct access to strobe by pressing and holding the main switch. And now we are going to go to SOS and back to off. Very simple, and you can really access all the different levels with the remote control, so you do not have any disadvantages here when you use the remote. It's all just operated with the two switches. It's exactly the same user interface like on the flashlight itself, and the remote control is rechargeable by USB-C. This is how it looks like here. And we are also gonna take a quick look here, a closer look at the flashlight itself. So you can use the remote control or you can use the two switches just right here on the flashlight. It's exactly the same, very simple, fast, direct. And when it comes to the remote control, you can just easily position it here on the handle, and now it's, I would say, securely locked here. This is it. Thank you for watching the Wuben A1, up to 20,000 lumens, 1 million candela and 2 kilometers beam distance. A super strong LED searchlight for long distance illumination. Thanks for watching. More information in the online store for Switzerland, welleroutdoor.ch. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.